Hello everyone. In the previous video, we saw how to make commits and we also saw how to get back or retrieve the data from the commits. Okay. In this video, we will start with the branches. We will start with the Git branches. Let's start from very beginning. Okay. In your repository, you made your repository the Git working repository and you did some commit. Okay, let's say this is commit C1. Again, you are working on your project, be it your story, be it your project, maybe web project, maybe ML project, whatever. You made some commits. You are working on one central functionality. Uh, let's say you are making one to-do app. For the sake of the understanding, let's say you are making one to-do app. Okay, so you started, you made first HTML. Let's say you made just HTML header and you did one comment. You made some body, you made comment. Let's say you add CSS and you again make the third comment. Okay, you add JS, again you made the fourth comment. Now your basic to-do app only consisting of two things. One thing is to-do name, description, whatever, and one thing is delete button. Okay, now you thought, okay, let's do one thing. Let's provide some target date. Okay, let's provide some target date. Okay, so you provided that some target date. So here is your C file, but you want to add new functionality other than this basic functionality. What you thought? Let's add some status functionality, and status will automatically become delayed. Automatically will become delayed if the current date, if the current date is higher than or more than target date. So it is new feature. So there is always a possibility that when you adding new feature, it can generate the bug, and you are also in confusion that whether do you need this feature or not. If you have really big project, at a time we add multiple people work on the same project and multiple features get developed in parallel. There can be a merge conflicts also. What you do to avoid this conflict and to make sure your at least basic to do app is free of all the bugs, you can start new branch from here. Okay, you can start new branch from here. Let's say you given the branch name uh, delayed status something. Okay, when you start your git, right, when you start or make your working repository, git working repository, at that time if you saw, you get something like main in bracket. That means whenever you start and whenever you start committing, at that time one branch already formed, that is the main branch, which is the central branch or first branch, and from this branch only other branches get initiated. It is like a parent branch. Okay, now you are making this feature, you are keep on doing it. Okay, meanwhile let's say you also made changes in your main branch. You did something like change some colors and change some, maybe added some animation, so on and so forth. So once this feature is done, you thought, okay, everything is working perfectly, everything is working perfectly, and I want to add this feature in my main app, what you can do, you can simply perform the merge. You can simply perform the merge. Okay. So there are actually different type of merge. One is three-way merge, and one is direct one-to-one merge. Okay. What is the difference? In this scenario, if you see here, three-way merge occur. Why? Here in main branch, I created some more changes. So for merging these two, we required one more extra commit. One more extra commit. That's why here three-way merge or recursive merge occur. Okay. Let's say the scenario where you did any changes in your main branch. You were just working on your side branch. Okay. You did not do any changes in main branch. At this case, whenever you do merge, no, simply this commits also reattached here down, and you will get one single branch. Okay. So instead of having separate branch like this, it won't make any extra changes or merges or extra commits. It will just simply assign these commits also in front of last commit in the main branch. So it will look something like this. Okay. So this is the two type of merge. I hope you understood the concept of branching, and in next video we will practically do the branching, and we will practically see these two type of merge. And always remember the condition. For an example, whatever, there can be multiple branches. Let's say from this commit also I can start the new branch, maybe for something new feature, and there can be a sub branch of the sub branch also. For an example, this is something like feature 2, and you realized some bug is here, some bug is here, so you removed some part of code, but you want to resolve that bug. You can start one more branch from this point. Okay. So here the condition for the three-way merge is there should be intercollapsing commits between the parents and child branch. What does it mean? If there is some extra commit after the creation of the branch in the parent, then three-way merge occur. Else one-to-one or direct merge occur. Okay. I hope you understood the concept of branching and why we use it. In next video, we will even deep dive into the concept of branching, and we will do practicals, and we will see how all these things occur. Okay. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.